Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt Rush Truck Centers here on YouTube. I have an absolute gorgeous truck for you today. As I always say, this has got to be one of my favorite, and it is. 2026 Peterbilt 589 extended hood, 72-inch flat top. I think we did a 290 or 295 wheelbase on this one, in North Sea gray. Absolutely beautiful truck. North Sea gray is a nice gloss gray color with no metallic in it. This one's the legendary package, so you get the signature polished stainless steel fenders and the absolute beautiful Peterbilt script and spears on the side of the hood. Just gorgeous. 11R22.5s all the way around. I got an air ride steer axle, Viper red frame, so the whole frame is all red. Had Paul in our shop do all the lights. Ben Porterfield from Chrome Country out of Nashville or Smyrna supplied all the lights and all the chrome and all the bling. You got your pusher axle controls here, pressure controls, and I just did a short little video on where the pressure gauge is on that, and I'll show that to you here in a minute. Beautiful truck. Absolutely love this color. Such a simple color, just beautiful. Got a 100-gallon tank on this side, medium depth tank, 13.2 pusher axle, air up, air down. That's a low pro 22.5. I'm not sure what this guy's doing over here, but he's making a lot of noise. Michelin 11R 22.5s on the rear, full lockers, disc brakes all the way around, Holland fifth wheel. Got a single tinted window, a solid window on the back there, and we put the CB antenna on top of, or at the back of the sleeper. The minimizer, they're actually plastic fenders, but they are chrome. So I apologize for the noise, guys. Polished stainless steel pusher axle fenders, and that is a steerable pusher axle. We did a ThermoFlow 2-line wet kit. You see that there? And on that, we did a hydraulic fan instead of an electric fan. Electric fans keep going out, so we did a hydraulic one. IMCO, Randy down at IMCO, Commerce City, did that for us. And 135 gallon on this side. Just a gorgeous truck. It's the classic look. Take a look at the engine here. We did a Cummins X15. The hot side here. There's your air ride steer axle. Disc brakes all the way around. This is a 605 2050 torque. Just look at the visor. Did all the lights on the top and clear. And there's the hood. And you can see how that arches up here. That's the difference. That was a 389 or 379. It'd be straight across. So that's, you can see how it slopes in on the side. And that's your biggest difference, because you get a lot more room in the cab on these. Davco fuel filter. Pretty much if it's an option, it's on this truck. It's absolutely beautiful. 13-inch polished stainless steel air breathers. True dual exhaust. It is still dual exhaust. I know some of you guys don't like that. I don't either, but don't like the single exhaust, that is. 336 gears on this one, I believe, and it's an 18-speed. Platinum interior. Truck weighs 19,861 pounds with the pusher axle. So we got the platinum interior, and as you can see, you got a lot more room between the seats than a 389 or 379, especially a 359. I will show you. This is an 18-speed, but we did the 18XD Pro automated. One thing you have to do with these automated transmissions, you can't just get in them and grab gears and start going. You got to let them air up. You got to get your air pressure up. Come on. There we go. Got to get your air pressure up there, because if you do it too fast, they don't like it. But this one is the first one I've done that has the navigation. And usually I put gauges, 6 gauges over here, but this one, customer wanted navigation. So we got navigation, factory CB, platinum interior. That's a pull-out desk right there. Lots of room in the middle. Yes, it's different without a stick shift here in the middle. You got it right here. So that's your forward, drive, and reverse. You rotate, and then a jake is just pull it straight back. So when you pull that, that's your jake. And what it does is it shows it. There's your single stage, second stage, third stage. Pull it down again and it's on the mat. It's not going to show it since I'm just sitting here idle. Nice steering wheel with all your controls there. I'm still learning the new nav. I'm not sure what's going on with my phone here, but it's not wanting to focus very well. But just gorgeous interior. And these are the Peterbilt LX seats. And here, let me back in here. There's your difference. You got a ton of room between these seats, so you can just walk back and forth. Very nice. Got some drawers here. Storage. Got some storage over here, place for a microwave, place for a TV, small TV. Sorry about that. Just looking back through the sleeper. But as you can see, there's tons of room here. And that's your biggest difference. The other big difference that you will notice when you drive these is how quiet they are. I drove a 389 the other day, used one, barely used, dang near a new one. Driving it down the road, and then I had to hop in a 589 and come back. Much quieter than the 589. So, anyway, I just wanted you guys to see this one. Absolutely beautiful truck. And like I said, do not be afraid of the 18XD Pro. Everybody that has purchased it has absolutely loved it. This gentleman already has one in his fleet, and they love it. So, just thought I'd share this one. She's headed out this afternoon. Absolutely beautiful. Appreciate you guys watching. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Centers, Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. Text me first. There's so much spam and junk calls and everything. Just text me first, and then I can call you. So, appreciate you guys. Take care and have a good day. God bless.